So we kind of look on a viewport. The one thing I want kind of point one more time right here, this moment, it does not affect the movements of the object. This is affect only the viewport in a way you see. So when I move, this is moving just a viewport, not an object. If I move by using axis, this is move the object itself. Also, when I rotate, right here you can see on our right top perspective camera view, it is rotating just the plane of view, so of this viewport. It does not affecting or rotating object at all. So let's go to render windows, and right here on the left we have our object preview. On the right we have our camera. So when we render, the camera view, active selected camera, will be rendered. Again, if we want to modify object, we can move it. If we want to readjust position of the viewport, I'm just using viewport positioning. Okay, next, if I want to render, we'll just go to render. Right here we have our image window. So let's look a little bit closer. Okay, so in our image window, let's look on some options right here. The one most important, it is this arrow on the top left. So this is given us our render options, so we can see what type of rendering we can use. Okay, the image resolution and format we want to save, the global illumination effect, additional if we want effect for the projections, multipath selecting for the layers, and additional information. So right here is where we set what render options we wanted. Next we have our render, so we can render object and render all plane or just active, so it's help us to preview. Also, if you want to select and render just specific area, you can just enable area render and readjust in this case. Okay, we also have it edit for selected objects or layers, save and merge. On our right side we have it render history, render compare, so you can see right here example we have different renders. If you want, you can right click to move to your image collection, or just delete it, remove from the stacking. Okay, as well we have the image collection. This is help you when you go back and you want to compare with maybe some previous render when you adjust lights, and it's very useful when you start tweaking around your image. We'll have it also render information on our bottom, how many polygons, surface images, and additional information of height, width, specific channels if you want to preview at that time, and if you option to save. One nice thing about render window that you can collapse if you continue working, or you can actually move if you have it multi-screen, continue working on yours scenery and keep it your render window open, so you can come back anytime and re-render again and preview. Most of us who work with dual monitors, it's kind of very useful to move this on another screen to give you more real estate and same time very important options, just like it in under or in another windows under one click.